Hi, Miss Leoneda. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Jason Yunida from Talisawada to Abdullah Saki, Maguindanao. I am single,
Okay.
31 years old.
Okay, so you are 31 years old and do you have kids?
No, ma'am.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one brother and two sisters, and I am the third child.
Okay, can you tell me about your educational background?
I am vocational 2 years graduate, ma'am. Course HRM, Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Okay, do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Oman for 4 years from November 2016 to November 2021. And I also work in Hong Kong for 2 years. From October 27 to October 2022.
Okay, October 27, what year?
October 27, 2022 to October 27, 2024.
Okay, in Oman, can you tell me what are your work and duties?
I do my duties taking care of the kids and cooking, cleaning the house, washing, then car washing, gardening, and beddings.
Okay, how old are the kids?
4, 7, 9, and 13.
Okay, and how about in Hong Kong? Can you tell me what are your duties and responsibilities?
I do my duties taking care of the kid, then cooking, cleaning, and bathing, car washing, gardening, and marketing.
Okay, how old are the kids in Hong Kong?
5 years old.
Okay, 5 years old. Did you finish all your contracts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I am honest, patient, hardworking, and loving person.
Okay, do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because I want to help my family and I want to save money for my future.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will show them that I will care them. Then I will read a books for them. Then I will talk to them about it a calm voice.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.